As you guys can see here, I just started this project in March 11, 2025. As you guys can see here, let me show you. Just have a look on it. March 11, 2025. So that's it. And they were ranking like this, meaning their average ranking was like 5.88 for the keyword like plumber, their city name, as you can see. Plumber and their city name, their ranking was like 5.88, meaning they were not ranking in the map pack or local pack, whatever you say. That's it. And after 80 days, I ran another scan in 3rd June actually, as you guys can see. Their ranking actually just literally boom actually, as you guys can see there in the map pack in just 80 days.